Today we are talking about how to fix a dishwasher door seal leak. So specifically, this is a Sears & Roebuck model number 587.151424400. To give you a backstory, I came home from work to eat lunch. I ran the dishwasher during lunchtime. A few hours later, I came home from work in the evening and the dishwasher had completed its cycle, but as you can see, it had leaked water onto the floor. So, a couple options. Obviously, I inspected the door seal. I looked for obvious points of leakage, and it seemed to be at that bottom lower corner. So I can either replace the door seal, or another trick that I'll tell you that I did that worked for me is if you look inside the door, you see the black door seal going all the way around, and that just gets press fit into that channel or that groove. I took that door seal out, I cleaned it, and I flipped it around. So the back of the seal is now facing forward, the forward is now facing backward, if that makes sense. I basically installed it backwards. And so the advantage of that is that gives me a brand new sealing surface to mate up with the door, because the old mating surface towards the bottom there had grooves imprinted in it from the door. Whereas by flipping that door seal around, reinstalling it, now it's like you got basically a brand new door seal. As you can see, I ran the dishwasher again, and if you look closely, there's no more water leak on the floor. So that solved the problem. Now everybody's dishwasher is different models, different makes. I understand that. So this trick might not work for your application, but maybe it will. You just got to look at what kind of door seal you have in your dishwasher. And if you do need to order a new one because it's cracked or ripped, look for your model and serial number so you get the proper door seal. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.